Welcome to nccareers.org. Next step, first step. Need help planning your career path? If you already have a job, see what occupations are next in your career advancement using Next Step. Search for your current occupation and see what occupations are next in your career journey. Hover over a job circle to see more information and to use the compare feature to help you decide your next step. The jobs you compare are in the table below. Once you've decided on your next step, hover over your next occupation and add it to your career journey. The screen will refresh and the occupation you selected will become the starting point, and you can see the occupations that come next. You can do this multiple times and build your individual career path. If you are looking for a career change or have not yet entered the workforce, use First Step and work backwards, starting with your dream job, to identify the occupations that will build a career path to your goal.